In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a project with a Notion calendar. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that not only helps you organize your workspace, but also makes managing projects a breeze. By connecting your project with a Notion calendar, you can streamline your workflow and ensure everything stays up to date with minimal effort. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by linking your Notion workspace to the Notion calendar. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between your workspace and the calendar, allowing you to seamlessly integrate dates and events. Make sure you're logged into your Notion account and navigate to your workspace settings. Here you'll find an option to link the Notion calendar. This might involve following a few prompts to authorize the connection, but it's pretty straightforward, ensuring your Notion workspace and calendar are synced together. Now, once you've linked the Notion calendar to your workspace, it's time to add your project database to it. This database is where you keep track of all the project details, and by adding it to the calendar, you'll be able to visualize deadlines, milestones, and other critical dates directly within your Notion calendar. To do this, go to your project database within Notion. Look for an option that allows you to integrate the database with the calendar. This option might be labeled as Add to Calendar or something similar. Follow the necessary prompts to complete the process, ensuring that all the relevant information from your database is now accessible through your calendar view. Once you've completed these steps, the dates from your database will automatically appear in your Notion calendar. This integration means that any date-specific information associated with your projects, such as deadlines or important events, is now visible and trackable within the calendar. This visual representation is unbelievably helpful for managing your time and staying on top of project-related tasks. All the dates you previously inputted into your project database are now conveniently displayed, giving you a clear overview of what's coming up and how best to allocate your time. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected your project with your Notion calendar. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your project management capabilities within Notion, making it easier than ever to track and manage important dates associated with your projects. This integration will help you remain organized, ensuring that no task or deadline slips through the cracks. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and clarity that Notion brings to your projects. And happy organizing!